we don't remember. You remember? No, we don't remember.
I think it was the song. I think we were shooting in राह में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई कुदरे movie.
I remember the song, but I don't know if that was the first day.
Yeah, actually, even I don't remember.
But had you met, I mean, before making that film?
Yeah, we were
Yeah,
friends
we've
much
known each
before
other
that.
since before, much before that.
Yeah.
Oh, great. Thank you.
मैंने पहले वाले में बहुत अवॉइड की थी तो आपने घेर ही लिया है, लेकिन मैं फिर भी बताने वाला नहीं हूँ कि लड़की है कि भाग गई है कि क्या है, तो बस इतना ही है.
And Tabu ma'am, I just wanted to know from you. So like we talked about aging of love and how meanings are changing with time. So if you have to summarize it in like few words, how would you summarize love in 2024?
But it's the same as in 1824 or 1724 or 1624. The feelings have always been the same. It's just that how much more you express and how much you can and you can't. So the feelings don't change. I think the whole process since humanity has been the same. The feelings have always been the same.
Tabu, Justin here from Indian Express to your left here.
I think this business like more than 40 years, and you have done it like almost nearly 40 years, and you have done it so successfully. So, looking at your journey, what do you think? How you made it and still continuing? And what's the most priceless thing you think you got, you have achieved? It's a very, very, very deep question. I think उसको answer करने के लिए बहुत वक्त लग जाएगा. But what I've got and what I cherish the most, I think, is the love and respect and appreciation that I've got from everybody all around the country, from all around the world. I think there is nothing that can equal that, and it's genuine love. That's what I treasure most.
Also, how would you describe your journey with your co-star Ajay Devgan? Something on that.
The journey is ongoing. It'll be a part of my life as long as I live, I think. So, yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
First of all, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you very much for being here. Right from the days I was working with Bhatt Saab from Zakham days, where I had the privilege of working with Ajay ji. So, media used to ask me, why are you doing only for Bhatt Saab in Hindi? Yeah. So, I used to correct them. So, please, change your question. Why are they giving me why only Bhatt Saab is giving me chances? So after the interview was done, every time I used to ask myself a question. और मैं कहाँ दम था? in form of Neeraj Pandey. So it's working with Neeraj ji is like staying at home, because the place where I work here and the Mumbai itself become a home away from home. Thank you, Neeraj ji, for believing in me constantly.
Thank you, sir.
And this film has been a very great journey for the past 2 years, and we enjoyed every moment of it. I hope you will enjoy the film too. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छी फिल्में बनाने वाले हैं और उसके बाद लगातार आपने उस तरह की फिल्में बनाई हैं. तो ये एक इतनी सेंसिटिव स्टोरी, लव स्टोरी, इसका ख्याल कैसे आया आपको? आपने धोनी में थोड़ा बहुत किया है, लेकिन आपका फोकस ज़्यादातर हार्ड हिटिंग फिल्म्स और सीन्स में होता है.
मेरा मानना उसके लिए भी सेंसिटिविटी की जरूरत है, चाहे वो वेडनेसडे थी या बेबी थी, अलग तरह का पैशन है उसमें. बट I really don't know how to answer that one. It's a part of the storytelling job, I guess.
Neeraj narrated me the script. It really touched me, it really moved me. And then, you know what sealed it was when Neeraj immediately narrated me this, made me hear the song.
Yeah. One song was recorded when we had met. So.
And it was just apt and everything fell into place.
And it is beautiful, whatever we've just heard in that. Sai and Shantanu, this one's for you. You know, you're playing these wonderful characters on screen. If in real life you had to imbibe some quality or some values from these two stalwarts, you know, Ajay sir and Tabu ma'am, क्या होगा वो जो अपने अंदर लेना चाहेंगे? Sai?
I think for me, growing up, my father's favorite actor has always been Tabu ma'am, and he's told me this time and again since they worked in Astitva together. So I think her choreograph and her journey is so inspiring, and Ajay sir's versatility is so inspiring for any young actor. And I think these two.
Shantanu.
Quite same, I would say. Tabu ma'am, obviously, her performances and her versatility as well. And with Ajay sir, I think sir ki choice of picking up stories and coming up with something new, and his dialogue delivery, obviously, which you said. So I think that
It's something else.
yeah, it's something else.
Or Omega Adam.
It's different, yeah.
It does. It does. So, ladies and gentlemen, present.
We had to wait for 16 years to come up with this one. Yeah.
Right. Ajay sir, working with Tabuji again for the first time, I would say. This is as fresh as ever. Question भी यही हट के होगा. So कैसा लगा उनके साथ पहली बार काम करके?
अभी कुछ लगता ही नहीं है. अभी इतना काम कर लिया साथ में, ऐसे कुछ लगता ही नहीं है कि सेट पे किसी को स्टार के साथ काम कर.
औरों में कहाँ दम था कि मेरे साथ इतनी फिल्में कर लेते.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. अच्छा, हम लोग सही जा रहे हैं. तबू मैम, my heart skipped a beat. जब वो आपको ऊपर से अजय सर देख रहे हैं, आप गाड़ी से उतर रहे हो, ऐसे क्या होता है सेट पे जब ऑफ कोर्स एक ब्रेक के बाद आप दोनों मिलते हो एक दूसरे को, हाउ इज द वाइब लाइक? क्या हो रहा होता है उस वक्त?
इन द फिल्म और
रियल लाइफ?
रियल लाइफ में मैं बताता हूँ.
रियल लाइफ में बोल ही नहीं सकते बिकॉज
रियल लाइफ में जैसे शॉट पूरा होता है, आके बैठो, इसका वो कंप्लेनिंग चालू हो जाता है, ये हो गया, वो देख गर्मी कितनी है, ये देख ये हो गया, तो यही चलता है.
और इसकी गॉसिप शुरू हो जाती.
मेरी कोई गॉसिप नहीं होती, मैं गॉसिप करता
झूठ मत बोल, सबके बारे में पूछता है मेरे को.
ये बड़े सारे डांस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. जिमी सर,
मतलब तुझे पता होता है सबके बारे में.
जिमी सर, दिस वंस फॉर यू. जैसा मैंने कहा, क्या चल रहा था ज़हन? यू कंप्लीट द थिंग, यू नो.
मैं हंस रहा था जब आपने ये बोला था कि कोई लव स्टोरी कंप्लीट नहीं होती है, बट मैं क्या बोलूँ यार.
इफ यू नो वाला फंडा था यहाँ पे जी.
हाँ.
A man of few words. Give it up for Jimmy Baji, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, MM Cream साहब, thank you so much, sir, for gracing.
की दुनिया के लिए तैयार नहीं हूँ, तो सबसे पहले ट्रेलर के लिए आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. क्या कभी लाइफ में ऐसा मौका है या ऐसा कोई ऑफर आया जब आपको लगा हो कि मैं इसके लिए तैयार नहीं हूँ? आप दोनों से मेरा सवाल रहेगा.
मुझे तो आज भी लगता है मैं तैयार नहीं हूँ. मैं जब यहाँ आ रहा था तो मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए तैयार नहीं हूँ. पता नहीं. तो आई थिंक वो एक्चुअली रहना अच्छी चीज होती है कि अगर आप सोचते हैं कि मैं हर चीज के लिए तैयार हूँ, तो फिर वक्त आपको ऐसी चीज सामने लाके दे देता है कि जिसके लिए आप कभी तैयार नहीं होते.
तबू मैम आपकी.
That's all.
Yeah, I think you did kind of answer, but I just wanted to know how empowering is it to sort of play a romantic lead at this stage of your career, because it kind of also defies very conventional casting stereotype where women can't romance on like on screen once they cross a certain age, and I think this is on screen very empowering. But what does it mean for you to be a romantic star today?
I want to first of all thank Neeraj for this. I don't know, it feels great, of course, but if we see it as, if we underline it that romance only belongs to the young or to a certain age group, then it changes, the whole definition changes and the way you look at it changes. Whereas, like I said, I don't think there is any barrier when you talk about romance and love and relationships. Actually, it's more relationship than love and romance, I feel. And human relationships are the most interesting thing that have lent themselves for cinema. And and love and attraction is a part of that human relationship. I think that's the most beautiful thing to explore, I think, for a filmmaker also, because there is no end to, where you can take that relationship. So, yeah.
Also, Neeraj,